Hi guys, so this is my update on GU guys. What am I expecting on GU? If you watched my previous analysis, I said I was expecting GU to push to the downside because we've been on the upside for a long time, and if I go to a little bit bigger time frame, we can see that GU has been pushing to the upside, and right now it was giving me a pattern of a an ascending pattern, right, which is a reversal pattern. We can see an impulse, a sort of a correction of some sort, so I was expecting a bit of a reversal to at least around this my 90% level, which is also aligns with my negative 61% TP level. So I was expecting something like that. Like I used to say, and I always say it, I know it sounds cliche, you don't predict the market to react to the market. So as soon as I saw that we didn't break, that is why if you watched my analysis, I said before we actually start before we actually start selling on GU, I need a break of structure, and I need it to at least give me something of like a lower high for me to confirm that we have now transited from being a bull run to now a bearish run, right? But as we can see that it didn't do that, we continue to push to the upside, which is fine. So now I'm gonna delete my previous analysis. That was invalid, so I'm going to delete it. I still believe you're still going to push to the downside, right? But let's just see. Let's see how that goes. I'm still gonna, we can see, let me go to a bigger time frame, because I see right now that we are currently around my imbalance. There is an imbalance right here. We are currently around that area right here, so that is also a beautiful way to actually reverse off. We can see from this 4 hours right here, there was this imbalance right here that needs to be filled, that wasn't filled yet, so we are currently around that area, which also makes sense that there's a possibility for a drop, right? So but like I said, just because we are currently around that area doesn't mean that it will happen immediately. I need more confirmation for me to be able to take the sell trade, because I'm anticipating more of a sell than a buy. But like I said, anything can happen. So right now I'm just gonna put, there is this zone right here that we can look into to see. So I'm gonna give my different scenarios on things I think I'm looking out for. So if you're gonna on a sell, right, if you want on a sell around this area right here, I will really want a beautiful confirmation for me to go on a sell. I want like a chart pattern to show. I need like a candlestick pattern as well, candlestick pattern, for it to give me confirmation that we are currently on a sell, right? So I would actually like for it to break the zone right here for me to sell on GU. To be honest, I want this kind of break, possible retest, to give me a lower high for me to know that we have transited from up to the downside, right? And giving me the like M pattern, because the M pattern, which is a reversal pattern, works on GU really good. So that's one of the patterns I look out for in GU. So I'm looking out for something like that. I want like an M pattern. I want like it's transiting, giving me like a full downtrend pattern, which is higher high, lower high, lower low. So I want a lower high around something like this, which will indicate like giving me something, breaking something, the structure, right? If it comes here to break the structure and come here to give me something like this, we can see this is a lower high right here, right? And it broke the previous zone right here. So that will be what I'll be looking out for right here, because anything can happen. Just because we are currently around an imbalance right here, we might just push down right here to fill this break of structure to retest, right? We can just see like a retest and continue to push to the upside. That's a possibility, right? But because my bias is more of a sell, that is why I'm looking to a sell. But like I said, anything can happen. If I see it's probably coming around this area and it's rejecting around the zone, and I see like an engulfing candle right here, I'll possibly ride it up to around this area right here. But for me to sell, like I said, I want something like it's coming here, breaking this zone right here, giving me a retest and giving me a lower high, and I see like an engulfing candle after the lower high to confirm that we are pushing to the downside. Then that would be a beautiful trade to actually sell. And because right now it's not giving me anything for me to use my Fibonacci on, right, I have to wait for like an impulse and a correction, then I enter out when the correction is over using the Fibonacci tool to be able to take the correction. I hope that makes sense. So I've just on GU right now, I just think we have to be patient for us to get more data to know our next move on GU. So I think because I think it's so cliche when they say patience is the key, and honestly, patience is the key. We just have to be patient for us to know what next it is, even despite the fact that my bias is a sell, anything can still happen. So yeah, that's my thought on GU, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll definitely see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.